Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Yeah, and we're here, guys. Today we're here with I-Octane, Mother's Tears. So that's a khago diss. So we see I-Octane drop how his name? Fireball or something like that. Can't remember exactly what name. Ball fire, something like that. And we see khago drop Cold War. And then now I-Octane is here with Mother's Tears. But me know say khago I got answer Fireball first before him answer this, if anything. So we want a direct answer from khago for Fireball or Ball Fire. Can't remember the exact name still. But Mother's Tears. So let's jump to another one and hear what the G say. So we see a mother with tissue, wipe her tissue, and there's a pregnant mother over here too. So let's go.
My youth, my bumper, I be over there, my bumper clock, mother working on people. And that me I try bumper clock telling you, I be over there, my mother work. My mother the biggest bumper clock up there. Okay. Uncle thing that a girl do is birth me, you know. Me know what you get.
So once again, it's a voice note. It's a clip from one of khago's rants that he did on his live or somewhere. But obviously khago acting have it in hand again. So
biggest bumper clock up there. Okay. Uncle thing that a girl do is birth me, you know. Me know what you get.
Them say name of their father, and they shall be longer. I'm telling this youth, real Gina, this them mother youth. What kind of son can them mother on? What human being would they go so long? Youngsters no deal with them mother son.
Alright, so in the last reaction when we drop for khago with the Cold War, obviously he must sing. So this one he must sing. This one I-Octane has sing because a lot of people were saying, yo, oh khago for singing at the, but I get why him did that. I get why him did that. But with this one, I want to say what the comment section I go say, cause as I know, this channel is not biased. We're not biased. We drop the reaction them, and if Octane sang bad, we say it. If khago sang bad, we say it just alike. So you understand? So make we ease up a little bit and hear him second. Like him say, yo, which shattered this them mother? Eh? Real man not this them mother, them mother give them birth regardless of the past relationship you have with your mother. Mummy is always gonna be mummy. You see me? So what kind of morals you have at this moment? That not cut it.
Youngsters no deal with them mother son. Now you shedding tears. You know see I gotta beat you. This a mother what a disgrace. Boy, you're so evil.
So Octane say khago is shedding tears because God beat him, because obviously this moment, and in the intro you say honor your mother and your father and your day shall be longer. We get that from your little baby I grow up. The mothers say you respect your parents and things like that. So what Octane say so is your mother, you diss your mother, then God punish you out of the music business for 10 years. That is your punishment. So don't cry to me. Ball to God. That's what Octane say.
Shedding tears. I gotta beat you. For all of your mother disperse. You fall like I'm a reach you. Stop seek attention and therapy you need. Something when you say what your mother make you repeat.
The man say, yo, stop seek attention and therapy you need. Therapy you need. Octane, remember say him go remember say khago sing the song personal and then him sing Cold War, explain how him feel, and you promise him basically not have him back but support him in his career also, like how him they support you, and you know from the get-go. So yo, that's the clash personal. I'm telling you that clash personal, you know. So now Octane say, yo, listen, you need to seek therapy, because that alone can help you, dog. You see me? That alone can help you. Seek therapy, my G.
For all of your mother disperse. You fall like I'm a reach you. Stop seek attention and therapy you need. Something when you say but your mother make you repeat. When you think you lose everything when you achieve for the tears you want pay for. When your mother check
the man said, why you think you lose everything when you achieve? Like the big #1 song, can't set nah sell out my friend them. My blood a boil, you know see me blood a boil. All of them song there. And all those time absent from the dancehall scene. Why you think all of them think they reach you? Because of the bad blessing we are reaching now. You see me? Because at this moment, the woman will bring you to the world, you diss her, and now gotta beat your feet. So just go on, bear your punishment until your time forward run again.
You think you lose everything when you achieve for the tears you want pay for. When your mother check the fight when you want get on people and do it. Until you make your mother burn her belly and away. You might get away with people but we try it run them.
You might get rid of people, but with it run deep. So you must say, oh, God not sleep. You see me? God see everything. You see me? And he must say, khago make him mother burn her belly. Yo, when we are growing up, we used to have a neighbor, you know. When fair son them go do anything bad, you know, and she talk to them, you know. One day, me see the woman take out her breast and cry and eye water drop on the breast. And me I said to myself, say, what that? What kind of sign this? You see me? And me say to my mother, and she say, yo, that is a bad that is the worst thing for your mother doing, you know, is cry, take out her breast, look up in the sky and cry, and our eye water touch her breast. I want to worst thing that if she had do it, phone her pitney them.
Make your mother burn her belly and away. You might get away with people but we try it run them. You can't get away from the beating when it reach. So I don't care what you say. She used to rock you, yeah, good. Used to rock you right to sleep.
So khago drop color and say, yo, basically 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 don't have them style, yeah. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 can't sing, but 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 I should say, yo, what I'm to you. Not because I drop no chorus, I can sing. Hear it, yeah? See it, yeah? Hear my vocals, yeah? You see me? Hear my melodies, yeah? I have it, same way, you understand? So, yeah, war.
Used to rock you right to sleep. I could the mama you want call Jezebel, but only time will tell you, girl. I be tired you get when you sleep.
I'm saying I couldn't mama ya call Jezebel. I couldn't mama ya style as that. Now you go through your hard times. Go and do it because you call it down for yourself. You're not easy. You can't do that. That's what 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 say.
Yeah, girl. I be tired you get when you sleep. Now you shedding tears. You know see I gotta beat you. This a matter what a disgrace. Boy, you're so evil. Shedding tears. I gotta beat you. For all of your mother disperse. You fall like I'm a reach you. Me no know who boots up your ego. Oh, you for this soon nurture and feed you.
Man say, yo, man know who boots up your ego, dog, but all you for this who nurture and feed you. But remember, say, khago did done say from day one, say, his mother never have nothing to do with him from him young, you know, him sleep and how much people floor and them thing there, you know. So, even though as she gave me birth, she never play a mother role. That's what khago did say. So, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and khago know each other. Them know each other parents and them thing there. Well, know each other mother as at least. So, and all of them thing there. So, I don't know. So I also, let me just find this out. Also, in the earlier this track them, acting this khago mother a few times. Intel khago suck him mother a few times. So now you sing say mother this and mother that, which is right. This song is nice, but I'm just going back and show you. And up to now, khago never diss your mother or anything like that. So it just funny to me. So now a mother song can come around in the clash now after all of that. You see me? So this clash, we never have a clash like this in a dancehall yet, where the two artists them are sing. So it would be interesting to see what the comment section is, because I have some people who comment on the last video, Cold War, khago song, khago singing culture song, and say, yo, or if you bring sing, I'm especially looking out for you guys in the comment section. I'm looking out for you guys. Me know the name them. Me look out for you to see what you say about it. Yeah. All right.
Fool me and stop me, have to teach you. From your mother, bring you come, she is a hero. Take you to disgraceful bad. Judgment I go wicked when you answer to God. The woman you come out and you call her dad.
Man say, yo, your judgment I go wicked. Your judgment I go wicked. You see me? The woman who you come out of dog, you tell her as dog. You want to you like, little youth. Anytime judgment you meet you see youth. That's how we acting and say.
Go wicked when you answer to God. The woman you come out and you call her dad. Couldn't believe us on your style her body. So I don't care what you say. She used to rock you, yeah, good. Used to rock you righteously. I couldn't mama you a call Jezebel. But only time will tell you again. A big time you get when you're sweet. Now you shedding tears. You know see I gotta beat you.
I like this one.
Matter what a disgrace. Boy, you're so evil. Shedding tears. I gotta beat you. For all of your mother disperse. You fall like I'm a reach you.
It's nice. Yo. Right now, in front of our eyes, this is 2023. We are witnessing a clash in dancehall that never happened before. Nothing like this never happened before. When the two artists them show off them lyrics, them vocals, them wittiness, them what the word I look for? Them creativity. You understand? So it looked like say Cold War was a hit song. Fake for khago. Now this look like it's gonna be a hit song for I-Octane. So the war is on, yo. The war is on. So I'm waiting for khago to reply to what name? Ball Fire? Where the acting? Ball Fire. I'm waiting for khago to reply to Ball Fire. Make the war get ugly. Yeah. You see me? So hopefully we get a reply from khago. Well, not hopefully. We know we're gonna get a reply from khago soon, cause you don't know says khago does a chill. You see me? So Octane, big up yourself, bro. Great song, mix good, vocal nice, rhythm nice, the concept nice. Me like the cover art, even the cover art me like. You see me? The message in the song so basically, young ones, honor your mother and your father, and your day shall live longer. That's what the G say. You see me? Show respect, no matter what. Show respect. More time you gonna have teeth and tongue meat when mommy try to tell just keep your mouth shut and walk away. Don't say nothing. You see me? But anyway, this is how I'm gonna leave that one. If you enjoyed the one, I want to see more. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. For real. Peace.